We're going to start with this blanket stitch here, which I've already taught you. This blanket stitch base on the dish towel, and it needs to be an odd number, okay? So counting here from the single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces. Right? That's what we're going to have. And then if you want to increase, right, in this case, you always increase by 2, so it will always be an odd number. We're going to take our yarn and pass it through this corner of the square. On top of the single crochet here, let's start here. Making 2 chains and a shell on top of the first space. First space here of the border, we're going to make the shell with 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. After making this shell, we're going to skip a border space and go to the next one. We keep doing the same thing, making the shell with 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. And if you don't want to make this border here, you can make another one. You can make a simple border. Any border you want to make, just make sure you have an odd number of spaces and it will work. And then we keep going like this, making a shell, skipping a space and making another shell. I finished making the row. I'm going to make a chain, single crochet on top of this single crochet here in the corner. And now I can turn it to start the next row. For the next row, we're going to start with 3 chains, come here on top of this shell and make 5 double crochets here. After making the 5 double crochets, make 1 chain, go on top of the next shell and do the same thing, 5 double crochets. That's how we're going to continue, making the whole row. When you get to the end, we're going to make the last group of 5 double crochets and a double crochet here, on top of this stitch. Now we turn to the other side so we can start the next row, which we're going to make with 3 chains. Come here into this 1 chain space from the previous row and make a double crochet. Keep making double crochets here until you have 3. Make 3 more chains and 2 double crochets on top of this double crochet here. And then complete 3 double crochets down here. I made this little point here. Now I'll do the next one the same way. Go into the next space and make 3 double crochets. 3 chains and 2 double crochets here on top of this double crochet. And complete 3 double crochets down here. Do this for the whole row, and at the end make 3 chains and a slip stitch here to close. And this is our finished edging. It looks really cool, really beautiful. If you liked it, leave a like and a comment here, because I really enjoy seeing your comments. And take a picture too and share it with us on Instagram. Just tag me at JNY Crochet. And if you want to learn a lot more, come and become my student at Clube du Crochet too. There you have access to more than 380 classes. There are both beginner to advanced courses, as well as practical courses with full projects for you to learn and use, give as gifts, or sell. In the beginner to advanced courses, you improve your technique, and in the practical courses, you put everything you've learned into practice. In the lessons, I teach you step by step how to improve your stitch. To learn about Clube du Crochet, just click the link here in the video description, and on our website you'll find out. You'll learn all about the club and can join too. I also put a QR code on the screen. Just point your phone's camera at it to go to our website and learn more and join. That's it for today, everyone. I'll wrap up here. I'll see you in the next class. Big hug and see you then.